when we were going to start this film, first I wasn't going to do it, and we decided that we'll make a smaller budget movie. It was a new experience for me as a producer, as PZNZ. So we decided we'll make a smaller movie. So that's why we went for him. Then he conned me, yaar. इसने मुझे
No, I did not give her a choice. That was it. I said it's you, and that's it.
Then he became baby. Every day he became baby, and he was like, "Come on," and this and that. And then he told me, and it started off with him telling me, are you scared to do it? And I said, no, I'm not really scared to do it. And he said, why? And then I was like, okay, let's just do it. No, you know, Prem had come to me with an idea, and it was during the IPL. We were in Dharamshala. We were together in Dharamshala. He came down, and we decided, we started writing. Oh, that's a bit strange now. And we decided we're going to start writing this film together. So, I don't know what came first, but it all fell in really well, and I think the guy who really inspired me for all this was sitting right here. क्योंकि स्विट्जरलैंड में बहुत फिल्में बन चुकी है, न्यूयॉर्क में मैंने खुद काफ़ी फिल्में बनाई है, पेरिस ही एक ऐसा, फ्रांस ही एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ एक पूरी हिंदी फिल्म स्टार्ट टू फिनिश कभी नहीं बनी. सो वी डिसाइडेड व्हाई नॉट, एंड इट्स नॉट मी हु डिसाइडेड, इट्स प्रेम. उनकी स्क्रिप्ट में जब पहले उनका आइडिया था तो पेरिस में ही था. मैंने भी इसको बहुत बोला शिफ्ट कर लेते, इधर जाते, पर ही वांटेड इट टू बी देयर.
आई थिंक बोथ आर इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट. Content is very important. Without content, if you market, the film's not going to do well. So content needs to be strong and backed by marketing for the Aam Janta to know that this movie is releasing. That's more important, I think. So both are equal in a way.
Yeah, I think both are important, but I think story and content is slightly more important, because sometimes when the whole world doesn't know this movie is coming, people go and watch a movie and say, "Arey, I saw a really nice movie," and they go and tell other people. But if you have a rubbish movie and you spend all your time, effort and money promoting it, then you have to go to the theatre and see it, because people curse you. I've been there. I've seen movies of mine, of other people, which have not really worked with the people, and we thought it was amazing. So it's very easy to make a proposal, but I think if your story is powerful and there is enough content in it, you're on a good wicket.
This is her first production, but I must just mention this and make it clear, she is actually a very sensible producer, because she knows where to put the money and how much to put. She throughout the film has never ever come up to me and said that, okay, this location is damn expensive, it's not right for me to put in money. She knows the worth of a film, and she's part of the film industry for a long time, so thankfully she understands filmmaking. It was not new for her, so that way she's bang on.
Yeah, but I think I have a lot of learnings. Your first time is always the time when, you know, you do things and then you realize the mistakes that have happened. It's a constant learning process. I've done about 35 films, but it was always in front of the camera. You know, I know when to take my light, I know what my focus mark is, I know what lens it is and what kind of body language. So a lot of things we didn't know. I know a very, very dear friend of mine who today is one of the top filmmakers in this country. When they did their first film, they didn't have a post-production budget in their budget. They didn't know that post-production had a budget. So everybody learns, you know. Sometimes you learn a little more expensive. Sometimes you learn cheaply. A, it's part of the story. And B, Salman is a very dear friend of mine. Not from now, from over 2000 I've known him. And he is one actor who has been more than a friend to me. He stood by me through thick and thin. Everybody stands by you through your good times. He stood by me through my worst times. He's been there. I've seen him through all his times. And I really wanted him to be part of my first production. And he was the first person I asked. And he said yes. I was okay if he would have said no to me. I wouldn't have judged him or felt bad. But he said yes. So I said, bale, that's great. I think sabse zyada ishq is definitely with my mother. And life. What's life if you don't love it? Huh? If you don't absorb all the good things in life, then you're not lived your life. So I think